I am a woman of a certain age who has worked in front of the camera for years, over 40 years to be frank. Whether it's television, whether it is film, whether it is performing in front of thousands of people on stage, I have had to take care of my appearance. I have had to maintain a look of glamour, and health and beauty are paramount in my life and especially in my career. I'm Vanessa Williams. I'm an actress, a singer, entertainer. I found out about Dr. Sach from my incredible colleagues who are known worldwide, and I trust vehemently with their knowledge and their recommendations. Dr. Sach had a worldwide reputation, and since I was living in London, it was a perfect opportunity to get in touch with him and also allow the magic to happen to me. When I walked into Revere Clinics and saw the plaque that said Dr. Sach was the fixer of everything, I knew I was in the right place. I was particularly concerned with scar tissue, with corrective work, and that is his specialty. And that's so unique and so specific, but so needed for what my needs were. The first time I met Dr. Sach, it was a breakfast meeting, and I asked all the questions that I wanted to know because I'm very curious. I want the facts, but I want someone who can provide me with the knowledge that'll make me feel comfortable and confident in what I'm about to partake in. Not only did he have all the answers, but he was thinking about the future, about science, about how mechanisms and different solutions work, and how science is getting better and more refined, and that was the technology that I signed up to. So what makes Dr. Sach's procedure so cutting edge, it's the P4 and P5. P4 is for your body, P5 is for your face. It is cutting edge technology that uses your own cells to regenerate and make them young. I am back for my next session. It's been a few months after my first session. You can really see results after 3 weeks. I did the P4 for my body. I did the P5 on my face. Everyone has said I looked fantastic. And I said nothing to my friends about me doing any kind of treatments. It's incredible. In terms of scarring, burns, any kind of trauma in the skin, P4 is incredible. So for the results in my face, I could see a marginal improvement in every aspect, whether it is tightening, whether it's fine lines, whether it's the hollowing in my eyes. It was a subtle but noticeable effect that not only did I see, but many of my friends commented on. I am so grateful to be in the hands of a master. Dr. Sach is unbelievable. I am thrilled with my results. I can't wait to come back for more because the results have been remarkable, and I'm just so happy that I found him because I love his approach, I love his cutting edge technology, and I love to be unique, and he is unique. So that's why he's the best.